Insight Managed Cloud Services is a service where basically the client signs up with us. It's a monthly reoccurring service. It's not something we just come in and then leave at the end like a normal consulting engagement. There are 4 main areas that we focus on in the cloud service. So the first one is monitoring. We want to make sure the client infrastructure is up and running within the cloud, it's performing. We want to make sure that it's stable. Secondly, we manage the cloud environment for the client as if we're their cloud engineering team. We partner with their IT operations to ensure that they can come to us if they have questions, problems, issues, whatever. They can open up cases with us and we can go solve the problem and make changes in their environment for them. We also focus on security, which is a big topic for clients in the cloud. So we leverage tools to basically tell us where there are security problems, trying to find, is there a storage account open to the internet which has private data on it that could be a risk to the client. So we'll point that out to the client in our monthly service reviews. We tell them where they have problems, and then we can help them remediate, or we can just remediate for them. And then lastly is optimization. And this is really the important one, right? What we do in the service review meetings is we want to really point out to the client that when they sign up with this, here's the state you're at when you signed up with this. And we want to show trends over time of how we're improving their costs, their security, their performance and uptime through these meetings by providing reports and guidance, leveraging common cloud adoption frameworks, the expertise within the team. And then if necessary, if they want to refactor or modernize their applications, we can bring in consulting services to basically help do that. And then in the end, we'll manage whatever's being built, and then we can continuously iterate on that as we find more opportunities within the client. Some of the key challenges that this really can solve, and you can look at all the cloud studies out there, and these are at the top of every cloud adopter's mind, is security number one. They want to make sure their environment's secure. And if you don't have governance in place and you don't have a really good security visibility on the environment, you could open yourself up to risk. The other top concern on a cloud adopter's mind is cost. This is probably one of the biggest topics we run into. Clients want to optimize their costs. They want to know where they're spending their money, because cloud can get expensive if you don't keep an eye on it. So what we do is we provide monthly visibility of that cost, and we tell them where that cost is being spent. So with the cost savings that we recognize, they can reinvest that into other opportunities. With this service, the client can really take the time to focus on more strategic things, because we're offloading a lot of the work to manage that cloud for the client, the day-to-day operations activities, the monitoring, and that frees up IT staff to be able to focus on other strategic initiatives. Through any cost savings that we recognize, the client has the opportunity to reinvest those dollars into other projects and then enhance and grow their business.